Yamazen is an importer and direct selling and supporting machine tool distributor. We have support and technical centers throughout the U.S. that allow us to be close to our customers with a great team of support technicians and engineers. Yamazen works with a group of the best machine tool builders in the world, each of which has their own unique technologies and know-how. With the right people and the right products, Yamazen is able to help with all of your machining, turning, and grinding needs. Brother, with their Speedio line of compact machining centers, not only help OEMs achieve higher output, but also help America's job shops gain a competitive advantage to keep work here in the United States. All of this adding up to real profit gains and cost savings over the competitors.
One of the reasons that we were really excited about the Brother Mills is because of the turntable feature, eliminating the operator load time out of the equation and getting your machine running more, increasing the efficiency of your machine, your spindle uptime, was something that was very appealing to us. The speed and accuracy at which the Brother machine can switch pallets is amazing. You can change pallets typically under 3 seconds. Our machines keep running and they're not waiting for an operator to load them. When we installed the Brother equipment on the floor, we basically took the same program off of our existing equipment, put it on our Brother turntable mills, and instantly saw a 25% gain in efficiency. We ended up going from 250 parts a shift to 350 parts per shift. Our relationship with Yamazen has been fantastic. They are very responsive and have done and delivered everything that they've said and promised. The Yamazen service and support staff has been fantastic and have made us very happy. And I'm happy to say in 18 months we have not had even one shift's worth of downtime on our 10 Brother mills.
We are proud to be partnered with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Machine Tool Company, who provides both their user-friendly CNC OD grinders and their world-class large machines. With Mitsubishi, we have the ability to offer virtually every configuration of large part machining, including fixed and moving rail bridge machines, gantry, and both floor and table type horizontal boring mills. And with the MBR EX and MBB 5-face bridge machines, we can show our customers how to achieve multi-face machining without moving the part. It's a real savings when it comes to large part machining.
X's Machines is a manufacturing company. Without the right machine tools, we can't do our job. My big surprise when we got the MBRs is how fast they move. Speed is a factor. The rapid speeds on this machine are great. It used to take us up to 12 hours to cut. We're down to 6 hours. We purchased the MBR 30s to machine all our large parts. We machine parts up to the size of a truck, and the machine handles them great. It's saved the company money, saves me time on the mill. We can get parts back on and off mill quickly.